In the media today, you hear a lot about synthetic chemicals and the harms that they can cause. It is a common belief that chemicals that are synthetically created are dangerous or harmful, while natural chemicals are clean and healthful. However, when you look at what they actually do in the human body, this fear of synthetic chemicals is completely unfounded. Today, we will look at a compound called vanillin. Natural vanillin is the primary component of vanilla bean extract and is used for most of the vanilla flavorings that you've encountered in your daily life. This is the structure of synthetic vanillin. It is synthesized from a compound called eugenol. You'll notice that the two are exactly the same. In fact, these two compounds are both vanillin and are completely indistinguishable from one another. But what does this mean for its effects on you? There is an important maxim in chemistry. Structure equals function. If two compounds are the same, they will have the same effect on their environment, including the human body. This means that synthetic vanillin and natural vanillin are exactly the same. It doesn't matter where it comes from. One form of vanillin is no more dangerous than the other. In fact, the synthetic form has some major benefits over the natural. One of these benefits is price. Most synthetic compounds that we use are made because the natural forms are so expensive. Natural vanillin sells for about $7 to $8 per gram. Synthetic, on the other hand, costs about 2 cents per gram. The vanilla flavor in ice cream would be 350 times more expensive if we used just natural ingredients. Synthetic chemicals aren't just an issue of price. Some synthetic processes, including that for vanillin, are actually more environmentally friendly than natural methods. Synthesis of vanillin creates no toxic waste products and causes no harm to the environment. In contrast, growing vanilla beans requires that natural forests and land features be replaced with the vanilla bean crops. The ease of creating vanillin also allows it to be used to create other useful compounds. Vanillin is the precursor to medications to treat for heart conditions and Parkinson's disease. It can also be used to create antibacterial compounds and is a precursor to L-DOPA, a compound used to increase dopamine levels in the brain and treat for a variety of neurological conditions. What should we take away from all this? First, compounds that have the same structure have the same function. So, pure chemicals that are synthesized naturally and synthetically are exactly the same. Neither is more or less harmful than the other. Secondly, synthetic chemicals are often beneficial as they are cheaper, more environmentally friendly, and frequently more useful than natural chemicals. So the next time you hear someone talking about how great their all-natural food is, remember that it's probably just a worse, more expensive version of the same thing. If you don't believe us, there is still a less expensive vanilla flavor that is considered natural that you can use. Where do they get this all-natural compound? It's called castoreum, and it's collected from the anal glands of beavers.